Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel, guys. And today, as you can see, I have made electric water geyser, and it is a very easy task. Or you can see the design of this water geyser and how is it simple to make possible for everyone. So I hope if someone want to make these kind of geysers, and I will show the whole process in my next video. But let me show you the design of this water geyser. The pros and cons of this water geyser is also existed, but I will show the major defect of, or major preemption, or what we say, that people do not like these kind of water heaters just because of danger or short circuit or electric shock because of exposed wire or exposed element. Like you can see this one, this is exposed one. So people do not risk their lives to make these kind of water geysers. But let me tell you that these geysers are safe enough if you use these geysers with the major tank. If you use it without a tank, it will shock you. But if you connect it with the water tank, I will show you later, if when I fix it with the bathroom, then I will show you that these electric geysers are not dangerous. So let me start the video. How did I made it? And you can see these PPR plastic pipes. The measure of this pipe is 2 feet, and I have used 4 pipes, as you can see. And in every pipe I have used 1000 watt element. So let's move ahead. So and guys, I hope you will like it. If you have any sort of danger or query regarding the shock of this electric geyser, let me assure you that this electric geyser is safe enough, because the logic behind this, that the earth or the ground is traveling with the water, and the water restrict the positive wire or positive voltage into the element or into the wire. It doesn't allow it to travel in the water just because of ground which is attached with the tank and the whole building. The building provides the metal pipes and the tank, the ground, and the ground travels with the water, and the water restrict the positive waves into the coil or into the element. It doesn't allow it to travel in the water. That's why these electric geysers are safe enough to use it. But if you disconnect it with the water or with the tank, it will shock you. But if you have connected with the tank, it will not shock you. So don't worry about this question. Anyway, if you have any sort of question, so please ask me, and I will try my level best to reply you. So go ahead with the video, please. So guys, you can see I have finished or accomplished the task, and this is the whole demonstration, and it is the final demonstration. Let me explain a bit. That you can see this is the whole mechanism. This is, I have used a relay with this component which can shut down the volts, and this is the sensor or switch. When the ball goes down, so let me pause for a while and I will show you. So guys, as I have mentioned, this is a component which can disconnect this relay, and this relay disconnect this electric geyser. It is a switch of high ampere, and as I know, I think you know the exact function of this relay, and I have made many videos based on this relay and make many projects. This relay is very useful for many projects, and if you want to see those videos on this relay, it is available on my channel. And so guys, let me show the function of this geyser, because if the null or the tap is turned on, the relay will be turned on by this component. It has a magnetic ball inside this pipe, and when the pipe is turned on and the magnetic ball touch to the sensor, and this sensor sense the magnetic ball, and the switch is on from here, and it provides the volts to this relay. This relay will provide the volt to this electric geyser. So let me show you how does it work. As you can see, this is a wall which now I have opened a tab of a bathroom. So if I will turn it on or open it, the relay will be turned on, and the magnetic, first of all, the magnetic ball will be touched to the sensor, and this sensor will be on by this sensor will on this relay, and this socket is for a buzzer or for a light. If the relay, if the geyser is on, it will indicate us that the geyser is on. And so let me start it. So I am gonna turn on the wall, as you can see here. As you have heard the sound, now what is going on, and this pipe is initial one, it is a cold one, it is a bit warm, it is more warm, and it is warm enough to get bath. So let me turn off the wall, and it will turn off this sensor, and this sensor will be reason for turning off this electric geyser. So that's all from my video, and believe me, it is not dangerous enough to shock anybody. And as you can see, I am touching this component, and in another video I have touched the water inside the tap, and it is a very useful project if someone want to make it. So bye bye for now.